The hammers have been ringing for years, and the temple is nearing completion. A delegation arrives with a religious dilemma. Should we keep mourning and fasting for the old temple's destruction? Zechariah's response is a divine reality check. He reveals that God never asked for their somber rituals. He asked for justice, mercy, and compassion. Their ancestors turned their hearts into flint, but God is now melting the ice of the past. In a stunning reversal, God promises that the days of weeping will become cheerful feasts. He paints a picture of a restored Jerusalem, where old men lean on their staffs in the sun and children fill the streets with laughter, a city so magnetic that people from every nation will grab the robe of a Jew, saying, "Let us go with you, for we have heard that God is with you." The atmosphere shifts to a burden against the surrounding nations. Amidst the clatter of war, a different kind of king emerges. He doesn't ride a war horse. He comes lowly and riding on a donkey. He is the shepherd king who restores the prisoners of hope, strengthening them like a bow in his hand to overcome the darkness.
Subscribe.